What is up, guys? It's your boy Tony. Check this out. Airblown inflatable. We got another one. Alright, now this is one of the brand new units, and this one is the spooky outhouse. Alright, I've been waiting for this one, guys. It's finally here. This one is 6 foot tall, and ordered this one from Home Depot. I think I paid like 160 some, 170 some. Home Depot. You can find it at Amazon. You can find it other places. Also, you can go to their website, Airblown Inflatable. Yeah, like I said, I bought this one from Home Depot, guys. But check this out. It looks like it's been open. Has tape everywhere. It's supposed to be a brand new unit, so we'll see what it looks like. Has a lot of tape. That makes me think that somebody already opened this before, maybe a display. I don't know, but hopefully everything's fine. This is the spooky outhouse, guys. I've been waiting for this bad boy. Brand new unit, brand new from Airblown. This is their newest unit, and yeah, let's check it out, guys. Let's open it up. As you can see, right here I have the other inflatable that we just reviewed about 2 weeks ago. This is the Creeper Reaper, and so far he's been doing good. All right, this one only comes with it comes with 2 blue lights, and it's just a steady light. It doesn't do anything, but it's still cool. All right, so now it's time to open this bad boy up. All right, let's do it. All right, where do we start? Right here, yes. There you go. There you go. That was easy, guys. Like I said, it looks like it's been opened before, so hopefully everything's fine. All right, so let's open it up. There you go. What else we missing? Okay. I'm not left-handed, guys. I'm just doing it for the video, all right? Because I'm holding the phone with the right hand. There you go. There you go. All right. Okay. Let's get this out. Let's see. Oops. All right, so let me I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out. All right, let's see what we got in here. It's pretty big, guys. It's a pretty big inflatable. You got the big stakes right here with you got the plastic stakes, and you got the little metal stakes. You got your ropes. All right, oops. Put it right here. Then you got your instructions. It's gonna be a sample, guys. It's gonna be a sample just like this one. All right, so the only difference is it's kind of big. You got your extension cord. All right, let's pull this out. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands on this one. I just want to make sure I'm careful that I don't rip anything. All right, so let's do it. All right, so I got him out of the box. Now let's get this plastic out. Here we go. We don't have anything in here. No. Okay. Push this back a little bit. All right. Now you got your zipper here for the air. It's closed. Oh, that's a big fan. I can feel it. That's a big fan, guys. I can feel it. Big fan. Oh, there you go. Check it out. That's a big boy. All right, has little stands. What is this? Maybe another fan. Oh, this is the one that opens the door, I think. Opens and closes the door. All right. Y'all gonna see it in a minute. Oh, this zipper's open. Let me close this zipper. Slightly open. There you go, it's closed now. Alright. Okay. There you go. Alright, let me flip this around, guys. I'm gonna put this this is supposed to be right here on the floor. And we're gonna air it up in a minute. Let's do it. There you go. Oh, this one goes up fast. It's going up. Oh, look at that. I'm about to bring it down, guys. It's kind of tall. Look at him. Let's bring it over here. Check it out. Ooh, look at that. Open the door. Open up. Wow. Spooky, huh? All right, close the door now. That's pretty cool. It says welcome. There you go. How you doing, sir? Ready for Halloween? So let me show you around how this thing looks like. So it comes with a little pumpkin right here on the side. This is the toilet paper. They got the toilet paper outside. Then they got the Mr. Nice Guy right here. Wow, spooky, huh? Then you got the welcome sign. So every 15 seconds, I think, he opens and closes the door. Then you got the little decorations right here. You got the eyeball, pumpkin, eyeball. That's pretty cool. Here's where you stake up, you know, attach the string so you can stake it up. Let's go on the back side. You got another one right here on this other side. You got the little decorations. The air pump is right there. Now there's two air pumps. As y'all remember, there was another air pump too. Now what that air pump does is that other air pump what it does is opens the door and closes the door, so it kind of like shut off the air and then turns the air back on, kind of like sucks the air back in. So like right now it's gonna shoot some air out, and I think what it's gonna do now is gonna suck the air back inside so he can close this door. So that's pretty cool design. All right, I like that. I like this right here, guys. Look at that. Cool, huh? There you go. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna wait till it gets a little dark outside so we can see how it looks like with the lights on, because right now it's still pretty bright outside. All right, but I like it. Pretty cool. It is kind of, the price, it is kind of high, guys. 170 some. I've seen some for like almost 200 bucks for this unit right here, this guy. But if you're into the Halloween spirit, guys, this is a must-have right here. All right. Yeah, it is kind of pricey though. All right, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna do another video, and we're gonna see how he looks like with the lights on. So right now we really can't tell, you know, the sun's still out. All right, sir. Bye-bye. So So there you go, guys. It's getting dark. Just want to show you a little bit of what it looks like. That's the Creeper Creeper. There you go. So y'all wait till it gets dark, guys. We're gonna see how it looks like completely dark. But yeah. Has lights on the pumpkin, inside the toilet paper. You got a light inside too. Lights on top. All right, pretty cool. All right, guys, so this is what it's looking like. As you can see, and there you go. This one is this one got plenty of lights. I think it got like 2 lights on the top roof. Yeah, 2 lights. Has 1 light right here on the pumpkin. Has another one. He has what, 2 lights, I think. 1, 2. Then got another light right here on the toilet paper. It's pretty cool, guys. Now here's the funny part. Check this out. Look at his hand right here. Check it out. See how far this hand is out? But you really can't tell, guys. You really can't tell. But he's pretty cool. Now, yesterday I didn't have a chance to do a video because I had to leave the house and came back late. But this thing's been on all night long, guys, and it's been running all night long, guys, and everything's been working fine. Let me show you right here at the back. The air pump, when I got home, I checked the air pump, made sure it's running fine. I can feel the little air. Now I see why they put the little stands right here. They put the stand so the air pump can still, you know, suck air in, kind of breathe. And also it has another pump. The other pump is for so he can open the door in and out. So I think it sucks the air in and then it pushes the air out. So it has 2 pumps. Well, one is a pump and the other one is the blower. But yeah, it's been running all night, guys, all night long since yesterday. No problem, no problems, guys. All right, and this one is the animated. This one is just normal, regular, and this one is the one that moves, opens the door. But yeah, this one is pretty cool. That's about it. That's about it. All right. I guess you don't get tired of closing and opening the door. I don't know how many times he has done it, but I know it's probably more than 1,000 times now. This door gonna need lube pretty soon. No, I'm just joking. But it's pretty cool. That's the inside. All right, dang. You didn't even let me know you was gonna close the door. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, let's get it. We out.